Hello everyone, this is the final video, I think the final video of the Bosch washing machine. We're just finishing the final rinse stage, so it should be on spin any minute. Watch the light if it says spin. Here's the options. Oh, spin. Final spin. Gotta drain the water out. This washing machine does 2 attempts of spinning. So the first attempt will be 800, and then the second attempt will be 1200. Right, here we go. Enjoy the final spin and the anti-crease at the end. It's just on final spin, Nanan. It's just on the final spin. The spin lights come on. Right, here we go. Yeah, no, that's fine. No, probably not. Well, you said probably might. Right then, hold on tight, Peter. Oh, no. First attempt. First attempt. Yeah? Nope. Nope, that's unbalanced. Oh no, it's gonna mess about again. This is what I hate about Bosches. Because I don't know if I said that already. So. Nope. It's gonna take a little bit of time, so second attempt. I'll be quiet now. Yes! Yes! We're chugging finally. This is the first attempt, which is 800, or probably 1000. Or probably this first attempt might do 1200, but we'll have to see. You'll find out in a sec. It's just starting up now. Oh no, that looks unbalanced. Oh, there we go. That's not too bad. Whoa! That's shaky again. I'll hold the camera there. This is 400. Volume. Progressive spin to 1000. I think. Look at Peter. The second attempt does a short spin. The second attempt spins for like a pretty amount of time, so it's gotta be shaky. But then that's 800, I think. Because I really can't tell. I can't tell if that's 800. That's 800. Right, that's 800. Oh, here we go to 1000. Right then, turn your volume up, guys. Because we all know what's the best part on these machines. Get ready, Bosch brothers. Right then, that's 1,000. Right then, get ready. Any minute now. Can't hear the pump at all. That's 1,000. Probably does 1,000 on this attempt. Probably that's 1,200. Yeah, that's 1,200. Then it does the spin again to make sure that all the water's drained out. There we go. Ooh, the panel went up to 1,200. Whoa. There we go, that's 1,200. 1,200. Very rattly though. Whoa. That is so incredibly shaky. Because it's just shaky. Very shaky in my opinion. I think Peter's enjoying it though. Having the ride on there. Even the wash bucket's shaking. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's the second attempt to do, then it's finished. Right. That's the first attempt done. Then he does the second attempt. Does straight to 1,200. Can't need a pump, shall you? Does the second attempt. Here we go again. Oh, yep, here we go. Here we go again, Peter. It's not finished yet. Can need the pump, surely. Yep. Oh, here we go. Straight to 1,200. Yeah. Oh wow, that's nice. There we go. This is the final part, and I'm done. So then there's the anti-crease to film, and then I'm done. Oh, it's not that shaky now. It's good. the washer, but it doesn't show. That is so stable. Yep. It's just got this last spin to do. Then it's done. Then it's got the anti-tangle to do, then it's finished. There we go, that's 1200. I think. See some steam on the door. Yep, that's 1200. Brilliant. That's brilliant. Come on, finish now. Oh, finished. Oh god. It's just the anti-tangle. Kind of the pump chugging, which I like. Anti-tangle. Nearly done now. There we go, it's done. Just the pump chugging. Now we just have to wait 2 minutes. I'm just gotta film the beep that it makes.
It's still on spin. The first column there.
Yeah.
And the red light gets to the bottom where it says end. That's when it's done.
It's when the door lock clicks. Then it's.
We have to wait 2 minutes for it to unlock.
Just gotta film the beep it makes after 2 minutes. That's quite a good video, that. You'll hear the door lock in a minute. Oh. Oh, door lock. Nice beep. It's just done, Nana. It's done. Bye bye, guys.